Good morning, everyone. Welcome to IT project management lecture. And there are two methods to create work breakdown structure. Number one, top down and bottom up. Top down, and number two, bottom up. The top down, we call it the deductive reasoning because you start with general ideas and then move to a very specific solution. And the bottom up, it actually moves from very specific toward very general scope. And you can see here, both have advantage and disadvantage. So bottom up method is ideal for brainstorming a solution to a problem. If you see here example, imagine a project team is trying to find a solution to connect a network in Chicago to a network in Phoenix without having to spend much money. So when you use the bottom up method, we actually first work with very specific solution without looking into the details of each solution. So we already start with very few solutions. It could be, for that case, it could be investigate the new software, maybe new provider, or maybe practically any implementation that is already open or discussion in the actual work. So you already, for that project, you already started to look for different solution. So then you compare those solutions. Now, if you move back to the top-down approach, it looks logical, it looks very logic and structured, and it is generally preferred method for creating a work breakdown structure. So most of the project we formally actually apply this top-down approach. So we use in a top-down method to identify a solution first, then descend into different steps to require to implement it. The example is simple here. When you try to make a decision about which car you purchase, you actually decide what kind of car you buy, SUV. So you go from top to then very specific solution here for that case. And for the other case, bottom up, you actually start with few solutions, then try to figure out which solution will fix to your particular scope. So that's how these two approach works. But in our case, normally we should follow the top down approach for regarding work breakdown structure.
The Victorian Institute of Technology has other great videos covering many different topics. Please check them out, and thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe the video for more great content like this.